It's red. Yeah. Namaskar mitro. Good afternoon friends. We are at the stadium. हमारे साथ सुधांशु मित्तल जी हैं. Has organized this Kho-Kho games. और अभी मैं सुन रहा था उनकी चर्चा. That Kho-Kho, you're saying you want to take it
to the Olympics.
To the Olympics.
Yeah.
So this is the.
You will be happy to note that Olympic Committee of Asia has already recognized us.
Okay.
So in one of the next Asian Games, you can hope to see Kho-Kho as a competitive sport. Actually, in 2022, we would have been a competitive sport, but because of COVID, our demo game was delayed by 1 year. Because of which, probably we'll miss the bus. Okay. But never mind. Next time we'll be there.
We have like now the so many campaigns are running with the ministry. So what do you feel ki 2025 and 30 will be the land means?
See. Two gold medals will surely come to India.
Okay, good.
For the men's as well as the women's Kho-Kho.
Okay. And कहाँ से आप लोग तैयारी जो कर रहे हैं? From which states are you gathering the?
You see, fortunately, Kho-Kho is one game which has been played across the country.
Okay.
You go to any village, you go to any tehsil, and you'll find.
Southern states
absolutely.
As well?
Southern to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Everybody plays Kho-Kho there. So Kho-Kho is a very, very popular game. It's just that Kho-Kho, in its new avatar, is something which will inspire and which will fascinate people.
Right.
People have always looked at Kho-Kho from the point of view of being played on mud. Yes, it's a game जिसमें कि हिंदुस्तान की सुगंध है, उसकी माटी से जुड़ा हुआ खेल है, उसकी जो फ्रेगनेंस है, वो हम सबको इंस्पायर करती है. लेकिन ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे खेला जाएगा, ये अब आप देखेंगे.
And you want to talk about something about the Kho-Kho Federation के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
I think the federation has got its priority right. We have adopted the best practices internationally for developing sportsmen. The kind of training we gave them in the last 1 month will equate with any training given to any international athlete worldwide.
And this will continue for the full year.
This will continue.
We'll have sports academies coming up and all that.
We have a very ambitious program, and the league will give them certainly a chance to become international stars.
Right.
I'm very hopeful that the league will catch the imaginations of Indians and will translate Kho-Kho overnight into a household game.
Right. So we want to wish and in fact invite all the children all over India, the girls and the boys, the young talent जो है, कि they should come in this game में जुड़े. ये नहीं है कि खाली क्रिकेट में जुड़े रहें या टेनिस में जुड़े हैं कि you know रॉयल समथिंग ऑन द रॉयल टर्फ.
इसका सौंधापना,
हाँ जी,
इस माटी का सौंधापना जो है वो खो-खो में निकल के आता है. और उसमें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की हर वो चीज़ है जो आपको फैसिनेट करेगी.
Right.
So it's the perfect game both for the national audience as well as for the international audience.
So we are very proud of our country.
Absolutely.
And even the Prime Minister and the Sports Minister, they're all with this.
I have to thank both the Prime Minister and the Sports Minister, Kiran Rijiju ji. Two things which are unique, which have happened under this regime. One, that we have got an Arjuna Award. After 22 years, Kho-Kho has been recognized for the prestigious Arjuna Award. Secondly, the funding, there is something called ACTC, which is a program of the government which gives annual grant for training as well as championship. There, for the first time, Kho-Kho has been included, and we have been given a good grant to promote Kho-Kho.
Yeah, because I was seeing the minister in the winter games just last week, Ladakh में.
Right.
So he was so like, you know, वो इतना game से जुड़ गए हैं.
So for
MOS के role में जो sport minister में different role था उनका, अब sports में he's putting all energy in it.
Indigenous games is something which will get a major fillip under this government.
Right, and the kids are now going to be even trained with the international gurus.
Yeah, we in fact we are training the international gurus.
You're training the international gurus. Yes.
We've already
my
got
wrong question because अपना India का है, भारत वर्ष का.
We have gone to 36 countries, and next year तक we'll be in 70 countries.
Okay, thank you Sudhanshu ji.
Okay. Thank you so much.
The audience, I think they should watch and come here.
Right? Yep. Look forward.
Stop.